Let's see how the market has behaved in the last 2 weeks since I have made the analysis for the two currency pairs, and the first one was GBP against Poland, and it was made a bearish bad pattern. You can see it here. Just a minute. GBP Poland, sorry, this one should be Australian CHF. Sorry, let's do this like this. Okay, let's make this one and see where is the bad pattern. Here it is. Okay, and let's stretch this one like this. The first one was GBP against Poland. We can see that the idea, the bad pattern was a bearish one. We can see it here. This was the analysis I have made. You can see that there is an area, a potential reversal zone around this one, 5.44. The price has formed 5.44. We can see that the price has bounced back down and it has reached first take profit level. We can see it here. The first take profit level was 5.28. 5.28 is here, and the price bounced back up and then reversed back down. Now the price is going even more down. There is a probability that the price will continue and reach the take profit 2. The take profit 2 is around 5.21. 5.21 is here. So you can also check my video analysis for this currency pair, for this bad pattern, and see what were the opinion about this bad pattern. For now, as it looks, the bad pattern will be successful because it has already reached the take profit 1 level, and I have mentioned it is very wise to move a stop loss below break to be break even at least, or put it in a small profit. The next one I have covered in the video analysis was Australian dollar against Swiss franc, and this was the bad pattern I have mentioned. We can see that the price has reached this potential reversal zone, made this bearish pin bar right here at the resistance area where the supply zone is, and then move it back down. It has not reached still 0.57, but you can also check my trading video analysis where you can see it here, what I have mentioned. I have mentioned also there is a probability that the price will go up, reaching entry around 0.58, which is here, and this is what the price has done. We can see the area, the entry around this one, where the target one is 0.57, where the price is very close to this one. So the price is behaving just it was mentioned, and also what the bad pattern is suggesting. So for the more details about this bad pattern, you can also check this video on the YouTube channel to see more details, what has happened, and also how the market has behaved. You can see since the analysis, the price after this bullish candle has happened, the price moved even more up and then reversed back down. So for now, if you have entered in this trade, it will be very wise to move your stop loss to at least to be break even or in the small profit, just in case if the bad pattern becomes failed one, you will end up with a profit. So for now, for the next one, there is inside notification tab several of these bad patterns formed, and I will check several of them just to see which one is very good based on the analysis. And also I have mentioned about the bad pattern, the entry ideas which should be followed in order to be a profitable one. This one was not good. Let's check this one. So the idea is always to see a downtrend, and this is the case. We have a downtrend, then the price goes up outside of this downtrend and formed this bad pattern, which is a bearish one. So this one is very good signal. Let's see, is there any other one? This one is not good. There is no clear trend. Let's check this one. This is also a downtrend, but this is a very small one bad pattern. This could be, and we can see it is already false one, it is a failed one. And then we have another one, we can see it here. We have the uptrend, and then we have here a strong bullish bad pattern, which is also a great signal. Now let's check this one. Let's check even these two more in October. This one, there is no clear trend, so I will skip this one. And let's see gold, how this looks. This is also not good. So there is no clear pattern and no clear trend, and then bad pattern form. I will skip this one. So we have two of them, which is German index, German 30 against euro, and we have here USD Mexican. So these are two bad patterns I would select and I would trade. So the next step is to form a technical analysis where I put support and resistance channels and also supply demand zone around these areas in order to see how the market looks. So in this case I will make this quickly and put all of these technical indicators tools, sorry, not indicators, tools, in order to see how this looks and where the price could go and will it follow this bad pattern that has been formed on the chart. Let me check this one. Okay, these are the support and the resistance levels. This is a monthly area first. We always go from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. If you would like to see more details how to make this one and put support and resistance levels, you can also check inside the gold membership where I share more details about forming and also making the technical analysis. But for now I will make this one quickly just for you in order to see what are very critical levels for the price. Now let's move all the patterns from the chart. Okay, now we can see the next one. Okay, let's put this one here, one more. Okay, now let's go to the daily and see how this looks. The daily, move all of them and put also support and resistance levels. Okay, here it is. Then here, okay, and these are okay for now. Let's put also supply demand zones around these ones. Okay, let's change the color. Sorry, this is not the one. This is the one, okay. This one is here, then this one is here. Okay, let's put this one also here. We are now making a supply demand zones around these price levels to see where the price could bounce. Okay. Okay, and one more. Okay, now let's go to the monthly time frame and see is there any, just a minute, remove all patterns to see is there any channels possible. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, okay. We have here one trend line. Let's put this one here like this. I will put the thickness to the one and the blue color, which is for the trend lines. Then I will copy this one here and put it on the upside to see how this trend line looks. And here it is. let's go to the weekly and see is there any trend visible. Okay, we have this one here. Let's put this one like this. Okay. Let's change the thickness like this. Visibility on weeks only and below. Let's put this, no, this one we need to move to the bottom side of this channel, and here it is, not very good, this one is here. Okay, and now let's go to the daily and see how this looks on the daily time frame. Are there any trend lines possible to put? And we can see we have one here. And that is like this. This is the one. Visibility only on day style, the smallest one. Let's copy paste this one and put this one here. Okay. This is good. Okay, now let's stretch this one like this and activate this bat pattern to see what are the entry ideas. Okay, and we could also change the color so we can see it more clearly. What are the stop loss, entry levels, and the take profit and the stop loss. Just a minute. Okay, and the take profit too, and here it is. What we can see after the price has made a breakout from this downtrend, currently it is in the uptrend on the daily and has closed above this trend line, which is great for the bulls. The price has reached this potential reversal zone, now it's heading back down. Now for the entry, it's very good. It is very here at the entry, which is a supply zone where the price has bounced, and we can see the price has bounced from this area here, which is a great resistance level. We can see it is also a weekly resistance, which is also a great signal. The stop loss is above, but it is very close to this one supply zone. For me, it will be very better that I move this one above, just in case if the price goes above. We can see when the price goes, the price reaches this area with the wicks and then goes back down. But this is everything based on the downtrend. Now we are currently in the small uptrend, so it's very hard for the price to reach this area here. The price has reached this potential reversal zone, and the take profit is right here at below the first support. So for the price, if the price goes, the first support for me would be very nice to move it here, just in case if the price bounces from here and then goes up, you can move also your stop loss right here where the entry is, just to be break even. For the second take profit level, it is below this demand zone, which means below the support, so I would like to move it above a little bit, just in case if the price bounces from this area, if it cannot reach it, the lowest position. But there is also possibility that the price could reach this strong demand zone, which is a great strong support for the price. Now, as it looks right now, this potential reversal zone is very good, and also we can see that the price is bouncing from this one here. The price has bounced from this and it has stopped right here where the current support is, and it is a demand zone. For now, as it looks for me, if the price goes below this one, which is very important level, is this one here. If the price breaks below, the price will reach the first target easily, because this is the first support on the daily time frame that needs to be broken to the downside. And if we check also higher time frames how this looks, let's check this one. Let's remove the patterns from the chart to have a clean chart. We can see there is a strong weekly candle that has been made a breakout, now reaching this one here where the potential reversal zone is. Now the price, there is a probability that the price will bounce back down and reaching this one of 17.97 or rounding around 18.00. So this is high probability that the price will reverse back down, confirming this bullish breakout of this weekly downtrend. So this is the first take profit, and if the price goes below that, which is, at least for me as it looks on the weekly time frame for now, is very hard to be broken to the downside, but if the price goes down, the next one where the price could stop is 17.57. If we go to the monthly time frame to see how this looks, the price is reversed back up. Now it is in the bullish mode. We can see it for the last 2 months, and this week the price has formed a strong bullish signal. So there are 3 more weeks until this month ends, but there is a probability that the price will reverse back down around 17.90, which I have just mentioned, that is around 18.00. So if we return to the daily time frame, we can see how this looks, and also this bearish pattern is suggesting that the price could reverse back down, and that means what I have mentioned, 18.00, is very likely that the price will reach. This is the area here, 18.00, but for now, as it looks, we need to see, will the price make a breakout to the downside below this one, which is area 17.92. If the price breaks below that, it will go down even more and probably reaching the area around this one, which is 17.55, which is below the first profit target, but then that means it will be inside this downtrend. You can see it's here channel, and very strong confluence of support is this one where the price is crossing with support on the horizontal level and this uptrend on the daily channel, on the daily time frame. So it's very important to see how the market will react around to this demand zone, this great support. Will it bounce it up or return back down? But for now the price has reached the potential reversal zone, which is a great signal. We will see, and I will also watch this in the next week, where I am also making a new analysis. For now, for the German index, you can also make the analysis on your own to see how the market looks, but for now, as it looks, the price did not reach the lowest side of this potential reversal zone, and is a very large potential reversal zone, so we'll see what happens. But this is also a very good trading signal, the bad pattern that could be profitable one, but for now it will be very nice to make the technical analysis to confirm these entry and stop loss to take profit ideas. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment below the video, and I will try to answer as quickly as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and share with others.